One of the features of My Real Estate Presentations is the ability to create your own slide. Go into the list of slides, scroll down to the bottom of the list of the slides, and you will see a button, Add Slide. When you click on this button, it gives you the ability to create a new slide. First, you need to give your new slide a label. For example, charity work. We're going to base this in our test listing presentation that we're working on, and we're going to base it on a slide of social media. Hit continue. That slide will appear, and we are ready to edit that slide to show your charity work. Clicking on the image in the middle will allow you to choose a file from your computer, perhaps of yourself doing charity work. Click Update. That picture will now appear. We can also change the text to reflect charity work. Click Update, and you have created a slide. We want to enable this slide by unchecking, so it will now appear in your presentation. If we go back to our presentation, that slide will appear at the bottom of our list of slides. You now have the ability to move that slide to perhaps under Why Me? Now within your presentation, that slide will appear.